What the heck is going on with Bitcoin? Why we are still going sideways and not up or down? So that is something that I definitely want to talk about today to you guys. And I just want to mention here, this one here, I did not get into a fight or something. So this is just, some underlying blood, and I scratched it because it irritated me, and that's why it's looking like this. So there was no fight or nothing, so I'm good. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit the notification bell. Subscribe to the channel and also leave a like if you enjoy this content. So, and now let's get here straight into the content. Also on a Sunday, I'm not taking any breaks. I'm every day here for you guys. So here we can see on the 4-hourly chart, we have here, after we formed this falling wedge, broken out now slightly out of this falling wedge, but without actually any volatility here to the upside or to the downside. So, and obviously a lot of you guys are wondering right now, so what is Bitcoin doing here? What's happening? So I have an explanation for you guys. So the first is, we are forming here a potential W pattern here. So with a lower low and a higher low. So, and when this pattern is completed, then obviously we are breaking to the upside. So the question is how high? So this is only a small one, so it's not a crazy move, but we can still trade this. So if we are breaking here this neckline, then we can expect from Bitcoin a move all the way up to $43,800. So which is almost at the bottom of this resistance zone here again. So, and if we can manage to close today above 43,800, that would be absolutely bullish for Bitcoin. I will show you in a second also why. So, but now let us here basically go into the explanation why we are going here more or less sideways and forming here the next potential pattern that we can trade to the upside. So 43,800, it might be not a lot to trade to the upside. Let's see how much percent we are talking here. 2.3%. So with a 20x leverage, it's 40%. Still fine for me. We have then also confirmed breakout out of this falling wedge. So which should bring us also closer to the technical target here, all the way up at $46,000 approximately. So for the explanation what's happening with Bitcoin right now, we have to go into a daily chart. So, and on the daily chart, you can also see we are forming here also a small falling wedge, so in there we are just starting to break out. So, but if we put here the indicators on and we take the stochastic RSI, so then you can see the stochastic RSI had topped out here at close to, a little bit higher than $46,000. So, and then the price went into a correction. The stochastic also went into a correction to the downside, which is absolutely normal because the momentum, the bulls lost the momentum, and then the stochastic RSI is getting in oversold conditions at some point and then has to correct back to the downside. So here we see now a slightly turn already again. So that could mean that we could see, by tomorrow, after tomorrow, a strong push here back to the upside. On the stochastic RSI. So that would be obviously bullish and could bring the price above $47,000 in my opinion. So obviously if this is not happening and the stochastic continues to trend down, then most likely the Bitcoin price will also continue to trend sideways down close to $40,000 one more time. So, but we can also have a look here on the EMA ribbon to see what's happening here. So here you see the ribbon is here contracting again. The yellow string is looking like it wants to make a move here into the ribbon to the upside, so which would be obviously good because then we start flipping the ribbon, and that is what we are waiting for here in the next couple of days. But for that, the Bitcoin price has to close above $43,400. There you see, that's why I said it's important that we close above $43,000 so that we can actually see this flip happening here on the daily chart. So when we are now going back to the 4-hourly chart, there I think we are still within the ribbon. Let's have a look. Yes, so there you see the price is coming slowly back into the ribbon, but also here we need a move above 42,800 yeah, preferably $43,000, so that the ribbon will not continue to contract and to flip here slowly again into a downtrend on the 4-hourly chart. That's not what we want. So as you have seen, there is some opportunity to trade here right now. So if we are breaking here the neckline of the W pattern at around $43,000, then we can get into a trade there to the upside all the way to the technical target, either here to the bottom level around $44,000 or to the technical target all the way up here at $46,000. So, or if we break to the downside, then my next logical target would be here, the support zone, $40,800. And my entry would be around $41,900, $42,000. There would be my entry for a short position. So either way, if we go up or we go down, we can definitely make here some trades in the next couple of hours. And you can obviously do these trades with the links in the pin comment below, either on BYBIT or on Phemex. My trades are actually still running, as I told you guys. It's now a little bit less in a loss than yesterday, so it's $7,400. I'm not hiding this. So on BYBIT, it's more or less looking the same, which is absolutely fine, because I still believe that we go to the upside. And if not, I would just add to my position to lower my entry price and obviously also my liquidation price. So I'm not concerned about this. So, but if you want to make here a quick buck on BYBIT or on Phemex, use the link in the pin comment below. Take advantage of the bonuses that you can claim. Takes only 15 seconds. Sign up, deposit a little bit of money, start trading, claim your bonus, trade with your bonus. Then you have a free trade. Amazing. BYBIT and Phemex in the description below. So now let's also have a quick look on Ethereum. So because Ethereum is also running here now into some resistance and has to make a decision either to break to the downside or move here to the upside. So now if we would here break not to the upside, the next logical target would be once again $3,170 for Ethereum. So if we break here now under this resistance, downwards trending resistance line of the downwards trending bigger channel here, so then we are running into the risk that the Ethereum price would actually come all the way down at least to $2,800 around here. But I actually think it could be even lower. In that case, it could go to $2,600 approximately again. So if we break it to the downside. So, but also here, I lean right now a little bit more to the bullish side because we have the weekly close ahead of us. Where's my weekly chart? Here. So the candle is right now green. So the way how the candle looks right now, like a doji candle, that is something that we don't want. That's absolutely horrible. We don't want this. Even though it's green, what we want is that the candle moves here above the 50 weekly moving average again, closes the candle above there. So at around $44,800, so which would be a $2,300 jump, roughly 5%. And then opens a new weekly candle that is moving higher. That's what we would like to see. So in the best case scenario, we close the candle as the candle looks right now, and we get a continuation pattern with third green candle, a big one, to the upside. In the worst scenario, we start the week out in red and break here both levels, and then we have again an evening star candle formation, which is really, really bad, because that means we will continue to move into lower levels. So in the next 48 hours, we'll definitely know in which direction we are going. Finally, some clear direction here based on the price action that we can take advantage of. And that's what we are looking for. If you want to also make some money either way, if you are going up or down, you can also join my paid signals group. The link is also in the description and in the pinned comment below. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed again today's episode. Thank you so much for everybody that was watching yesterday. Thank you so much for everybody that's today watching also again. I really love you guys. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.